Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Stories. Learn and chill. Today, we will try something very special and very powerful for improving your English. It's called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means that I will speak slowly and clearly, and you will repeat after me with the same pronunciation, rhythm, and feeling. This method helps you build confidence, fluency, and natural speaking skills. Today's story is about Emma at the coffee shop. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is a cool Saturday morning. Emma decides to go to a coffee shop near her house. The sky is cloudy and the streets are calm. Emma likes mornings like this because they feel slow and peaceful. When she enters the coffee shop, a warm smell of coffee fills the air. The place is cozy, soft music is playing, and people are talking quietly. A barista smiles at her and says, "Good morning. What can I get for you?" Emma looks at the menu above the counter. There are many choices: coffee, cappuccino, latte, hot chocolate, tea, and fresh juice. There are also snacks like cookies, muffins, croissants, and sandwiches. Emma says, "Good morning. I would like a small latte, please." The barista asks, "Hot or iced?" Emma answers, "Hot, please." Then she adds, "And can I have a chocolate muffin?" "Of course," the barista says kindly. The barista prepares her drink. The machine makes a soft psh sound. Warm steam rises, and the smell of coffee becomes stronger. Emma loves that sound. It feels comforting. While waiting, she looks around the shop. A student is typing on a laptop. A couple is laughing softly. Two friends are sharing a big slice of cake. The atmosphere feels warm and friendly. The barista calls her name. "Emma, your latte and muffin." She takes her tray and thanks him. Emma finds a small table near the window. The light is soft, and she can see people walking outside. She takes a sip of her latte. It is warm, creamy, and perfect. Then she tastes the muffin. It is soft, chocolatey, and sweet. Emma opens her notebook. She likes to write in her journal every weekend. She writes about her plans, her feelings, and her goals. The coffee shop is a perfect place to think. After writing for a while, Emma practices English. She listens to a short story and repeats some sentences. Her voice is quiet, but the practice helps her feel confident. A little later, the barista comes to check on her. "Is everything okay?" Emma smiles. "Yes, everything is great. Thank you." Time passes slowly. Emma finishes her latte and her muffin. She closes her notebook and takes a deep breath. She feels relaxed and happy. She stands up, puts her cup in the bin, and walks toward the door. Before leaving, she says, "Have a nice day." The barista replies, "You too." When Emma walks outside, the weather feels fresh. She smiles because her morning was simple but beautiful. It is a good day. Great job. That was today's story. Now, let's do a quick review of the most important sentences from today's lesson. I'm at the coffee shop today. I'm at the coffee shop today. I'm at the coffee shop today. I stand in a short line. I stand in a short line. I stand in a short line. I look at the menu on the wall. I look at the menu on the wall. I look at the menu on the wall. I said to the barista, "A small latte and one chocolate muffin, please." I said to the barista, "A small latte and one chocolate muffin, please." I said to the barista, "A small latte and one chocolate muffin, please." I pay for my order and say thank you. Have good day to the barista. I pay for my order and say thank you. Have good day to the barista. I pay for my order and say thank you. Have good day to the barista. Great job today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more English stories and shadowing practice. See you in the next lesson. Bye!